when the Pixel 6 first launched, Google stunned everyone with Magic Eraser, a photo editing feature that felt like sorcery. Tap an object in your photo, and poof, it's gone. No Photoshop skills required, but what started as a Pixel party trick has now gone mainstream and a little mysterious. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. In 2023, Google expanded Magic Eraser beyond Pixel phones. Now, if you're a Google One subscriber, you can use it on any device, like on any Android phones, tablets, Chromebooks, and even iPhones. Whether you're rocking a Galaxy S25, a Pixel 10, or even an iPhone 17, Magic Eraser is there to help you. All you need is the latest version of Google Photos and a little bit of patience to locate where it is in its constantly changing interface. That's because in July 2025, Google redesigned the Google Photos app with a simple layout that ironically made things more confusing. Easily access Magic Eraser icon is a thing of the past now, and the camouflage tool was removed entirely. Now, Magic Eraser is tucked away inside the Actions tab, buried next to other features like crop and portrait blur. In some cases, it might even show up under AI Enhance, depending on the photo. But despite this confusing shift, the tool still works like magic. You can highlight unwanted objects manually or let Google suggest what to remove. Just be prepared to repeat the process if the first erase isn't perfect. And for iPhone users, the experience is nearly identical as long as you're subscribed to any Google One plan. You'll also unlock other perks like Google Store discounts and exclusive Gemini AI features. So yes, Magic Eraser is more powerful and ready at your service, but just don't expect to find it easily. Have you used Google Magic Eraser? How was the experience? Tell us in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.